I have a guest, guys. He's Swati. I'm also Swati. So today siyagcina nge-English.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so kanjalo tokhona kuphila, but must waiting some owners must call you, must give you 300 rand, 400 rand and some. I don't help you.
Nah.
Six pack and already you are.
Kahle chaza ukuthi itshwala kuyadura and utshwala ngibo lokumoshela abafowethu la ngaphandle ne.
Yeah, ngasho ukuthi otijela abaningi maposter bangena kuma-poster yes siyababona but ekugcineni achievement
Abaye phambili.
abaye phambili.
Well. Next question.